Tom, I am so happy we're finally in London. I've dreamed about this for years.
Me too, Sarah. It's incredible. The red double-decker buses, the black cabs. It's just like in the movies.
Exactly. And look, wow, is that what I think it is?
It is Tower Bridge. Let's get closer.
It's magnificent. It's so much bigger than I imagined. I love the blue and white colors on the metal.
Right? It looks like a castle on a bridge.
It really does. My guidebook says it was completed in 1894. It took 8 years to build.
8 years. Wow, that's a long time. And I read that the middle part lifts up for tall ships. They call them bascules.
Bascules. That's a new word for me.
Yeah, it means a type of moving bridge. It must be amazing to see it open.
Definitely. And look over there next to it. That's the Tower of London, isn't it?
Yes, the famous old castle. So much history in one place. We should go there tomorrow.
Great idea. But first, let's get a photo with Tower Bridge.
For sure. Okay, stand right here. Perfect. Smile.
Got it. So what's next on our walking tour?
Let's walk along the river. It's a beautiful path. The weather is perfect for it today. Not too cold.
It is. I was worried it would rain, but it's just a little cloudy. Very British weather.
Right. Look at all the people. London is so busy and full of energy.
I love it. Okay, I see something else famous up ahead.
Ah, yes, our next stop. Can you see the big clock tower?
Yes, it's Big Ben. I can't believe it. I've seen it in so many books and films. It's a real symbol of London.
Totally. But here's a little secret. Big Ben is not the name of the tower.
It's not?
Nope. It's the name of the giant bell inside. The tower is actually called the Elizabeth Tower.
The Elizabeth Tower. Wow, I'll have to remember that. So Big Ben is the bell that chimes every hour.
You got it. It has a very famous sound. They just finished cleaning the whole tower recently, so it looks very shiny and new.
It does look beautiful. And the buildings right next to it?
Those are the Houses of Parliament. It's where the British government meets. They make all the country's laws there.
It's huge. It must be amazing inside. So much history in those walls.
Yeah, and look across the river now. What's that giant wheel?
Oh, the London Eye. It's an observation wheel, right? You can ride it to the top.
Exactly. They say you can see for almost 40 kilometers on a clear day.
40 kilometers. That's incredible. We should do that later this week.
Sounds like a plan. I love seeing a city from above.
Me too. So where should we go now? I think I'm ready for our next big landmark.
Okay, let's keep walking this way. We can head towards Buckingham Palace.
The King's home.
Right, it's the official London residence of the monarch.
I've always wanted to see it, and maybe we can see the guards.
The King's Guard with the big furry hats?
Yes, those ones. They look so serious.
They are. Their job is very important. If the royal flag is flying above the palace, it means the king is at home.
Oh, that's so cool. I'll be sure to look for the flag when we get there. This has been such an amazing day of sightseeing.
It really has. London has so much to see and do.
I agree. I think this walking tour was the perfect way to start our trip.
Definitely. Well, let's get going. Buckingham Palace awaits.
I can't wait. I hope we get a good view. I've heard the crowds can be huge.